All right, let's get started. Hi, everyone. My name is Wendy. I will be the host for this Kubernetes version 1.34 release burndown team meeting today. So today is the 25th of August, and we are in week 15 of the release cycle. Please be aware that this is a Kubernetes community meeting, which falls under the Kubernetes Code of Conduct, which can be summarized to be excellent to each other. So thanks everyone. This meeting is recorded and will be publicly posted to the YouTube channel. So please be mindful what you say is being recorded. All right, I will start with the open discussion first. There is nothing in the open discussion sessions in the meeting notes. So if there's anything anyone would like to discuss before we move into the team update. All right. If we don't have anything to discuss, let's move on. I will start with the enhancement team. Yeah, it seems like we don't have any enhancement shadow in our meeting today. So let me read the note for the team. The current status of enhancement e-ring for the metric we have in this release cycle, we have 13 cap in alpha, 22 feature in beta, 33 in stable. For the deprecation, yeah, I submit will be 0. 2 here, it just be, I believe it's still in the discussion, but like mainly it's a 0 for this release cycle. By status, track for code 3, we have 58 feature in this release cycle. Defer is the 19 and remove from milestone in 19. Yeah. Do we have any question for the enhancement team? Okay, if we don't have question, I will move into the release signal. So yeah.
Yeah, hi everyone. So the signal from us is green, as we don't have any explicit blocking flakes or failures in our CI signal board. We observe certain flakes here and there, but none of them are crossing more than 2 times. So we're just keeping a close watch on the dashboards to see if anything would come up. But as of now, the signal is go for the release. Thank you.
All right. Yeah, that's awesome. Thanks, Raji. Does anyone have question for the release signal team? Okay, if we don't have any questions, I will move into docs team. Let me see if we have any shadow of docs team here. Okay, we don't have shadow of doc team in the burndown meeting team today. So let me read the update for everyone. The current status is yellow, ranking to be RA, and yeah, the team currently addressing feedback for the RC1 release node draft. After that, the RC2 to be RA after RC1 can be merged. Yeah, I have left a few comments for the team in the RC1 release node draft. I also received reaction from the team, so I believe they are working to addressing the feedback now. But let's follow up with the team after the meeting today to see if they need any help from us. Yep. Anyone have any question for release doc team? Yeah. If we don't have any question for doc team, I will move into the comms team. IT, we don't have the shadow of com team here. Oh yeah, let me read the status of com team as well. So the current status is ring. For the feature log, we have 16 per 18 are ready to public. All right, we have 2 left. 2 per 18 with review in progress and publication schedule is done. So we are starting to open publication BR for the release announcements, block riot merge, and we have an open BR to complete team webinar and public. For webinar and rest schedule, currently the team gathering speaker information to send to CNCF and get the event link for the release announcement. Yeah, so that's good. Do you have any question for the com team? Yeah. All right. If we don't have any question for com, I will move into release branch management. Yeah, so currently status of the team is ring, and yeah, it's still synced with the release signal status. If everything is ring so far, we ready for the release in this Wednesday. So hopefully everything will be on good. Okay. Anyone have question for the release brand management? Okay, if we don't have question for release brand management team, I will move into EA. Yeah, I think EA don't have update now, but let me check in last Friday to see. I think the current status of EA just mainly to remind everyone about our last virtual meeting. It's already been scheduled and send the invitation to everyone. So if you have time, feel free to join our retro of the in the upcoming week. I believe in the end of this release cycle. Now we move into release lead update. Vom.
Hey everyone, no major updates from my side. We are pretty close to the release day, so thanks everyone for all the work you put in. I've scheduled the release party for 16 UTC on the release day. It's close to a real party. I've asked Matteo to do some release cut action live, and we can see what else we can do on the release party. There isn't much to do on the release day other than just checking everything is in order. And so that's what we will be mostly working on, and just hanging out, talking about the release, and if you have anything you want to say, just a cool hangout session that we're gonna have on the release day. And yeah, that's the update from my side.
Yeah, that's awesome. Um, I think you asked about the status and follow up for the RC1 release not draft, right? I mean, I believe currently the team is working on that, but I can remind them and checking whether they need any help after
Yeah,
the rundown meeting. Yeah,
yeah. If they need any help, just let me know, and I'll be happy to jump in.
yeah. Because the RC1, I think is kind of like it don't have a lot of PR
Yeah, not a lot
right
of
after
changes.
RC0. So yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. Yep.
cool. Thank you, Andy.
For the six scalability, I couldn't see note for six scalability here. Let me check for Wednesday. Uh, okay. But I also couldn't see any recent update or news from the six scalability. So I believe everything's still on good. And according to the signal of release, signal is still ringing at the moment. So we are on the schedule for the final release in this Wednesday, hopefully. Yep. So this is all of the update today. Are there anything anyone want to discuss in the recording? Okay. Otherwise, let me stop the recording now. I will stop the recording